That morning, in the middle of a slum near Parque Zonal Huayna Capac, San Juan de Miraflores, Lima, Peru, the atmosphere was tense. Officers from Grupo Terna, disguised as construction workers, were conducting a raid on a group of individuals suspected of being involved in drug trafficking.
Se está encontrando una bolsa de polietileno y en el interior se le está encontrando monedas, platas, billetes, ya.
Yo no vendo, solamente me han dado para yo agarrar la plata.
¿Ah? ¿Quién te ha dado para agarrar la plata?
Corey, shouted an agent. The sound of footsteps could be heard on the dusty ground as the suspects tried to escape. But the attempt was in vain. Al suelo, shouted another officer, ordering them to the ground. When one of the suspects was searched, a small plastic bag was found inside his clothes. ¿Qué es esto?" asked the officer in a loud voice. The bag contained several coins, several banknotes, and a substance suspected of being narcotics.
¿Con esa cantidad? ¿Qué es esto? Dime, pues. Al parecer, pasta básica de cocaína. Tráelo del río, tráelo, tráelo. ¿Dónde te recoges? Ahí afuera, ahí llamando. Ahí donde no, bolsa negra. Fácil, pues. Abre la bolsa, ¿Y esto? Mira, ahí ve. ¿Y eso? ¿También? Abre uno. Yo me recurseo, me vine allá afuera. Una sustancia purulenta, al parecer PVC. Nombre completo fuerte y claro. Nacionalidad venezolana.
A me solo me han dado la plata, the men protested in fear. "What do you think of me? What is the brand?" the police demanded. Despite his attempts to deny it, the pressure of the questioning forced him to give in. Yes, we are ... double quotes, he said, shaking, as he was led to show the location of the other items. The man, who said he had been in the area since 5:30 am, could no longer deny his involvement. "All of you were there," he admitted, before finally revealing that the items he was carrying were narcotics, apparently PBC basic coke apple paste.
¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Natural de dónde eres? De Lima. ¿A qué se dedica? Reciclador. ¿Qué compró minutos antes? Droga. Vamos a verificar en el interior del envoltorio de papel periódico sustancia ilícita, al parecer PVC.
When asked to identify himself, he stuttered, "Mina Rodriguez." The police pressed him, pressing for other names. "What did you sell the drug?" The pressure forced him to name another name, Johnny Carlos Tenorio Marco, a 45-year-old man from Lima who claims to be a scavenger. In a further search, officers found illegal substances wrapped in newspaper. Several others were identified as part of the network, a man nicknamed Sentimiento, who was known for crying when caught. "¿Por qué te dicen sentimiento?" the officers asked. "Por loro mucho," he replied softly, his eyes moist.
¿Cómo te dicen a ti? ¿Por qué te dicen sentimiento?
Porque mucho llora tengo.
Mucho llora, ya no llores ya. Ya no estés vendiendo, pero ya no estés vendiendo droga, ya que sea la última vez. ¿Natural de dónde es usted, señor? Venezolano. ¿Por qué razón el grupo Terna lo ha intervenido a usted?
Estaba vendiendo droga.
Estaba vendiendo droga. ¿A cuánto vende cada paquete, señor? A $1. ¿Por qué razón el grupo Terna?
Meanwhile, another man, a Venezuelan national, confessed his involvement. He acted as a lookout, signaling to the sellers when the police were around. "Mi funcionario alerter," he admitted helplessly. The suspects could no longer deny the evidence. They were arrested for being involved in selling drugs in a public area, turning a park that should have been a place of recreation into a den of crime. One by one they were led to police vehicles, while in the background, piles of garbage, the remains of old equipment, and flying dust illustrated the degradation of the place. The operation ended with 5 people arrested, drugs seized, and a black spot on the city's crime map removed, at least temporarily.